Okay, people, let us start your next chapter. Sir, chapter number 6, people. Sir, important, very important, people. Conceptual knowledge. For a reason, this particular chapter, act or the regulation was made. SEBI SAST regulation 2011. SEBI SAST regulation 2011. Yes, all of you. Sir, very important, people, and all these regulations was made for a reason. Randomly they did not pass. Everything was made for a reason. Okay. Now what is that, people? Understand the need of the regulation. You will understand why it was passed. What is the need? Everything you will understand automatically. Okay. Now, people, I'll give you an option. You guys have money. Yeah. You guys have money. You want to invest it somewhere. You guys have money, you want to invest it somewhere. Okay, now I'll give you three options. Yes sir, people. One is a company which is led by Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Yes sir, the most successful ventures, Reliance Industries, Jio and all. So I have given you money, you want to invest in one of the company. So one option is Reliance Industries. Yes people, the next one, Mr. Vijay Mallya has come back. Papa, he has cleared all his past debts and all. Now he wants to restart again. So Vijay Mallya is starting another company. Now it is called Queenfisher. Yes, King did not work. Now he wants to start Queenfisher, sir. It is led by Mr. Vijay Mallya. So this is Mr. Mukesh Ambani. The second one is led by Mr. Vijay Mallya. Okay. The third one, sir, is a company which is led by Mr. Subrata Roy. Yes, sir. Subrata Roy, sir, he comes up with a company. This company is not closed, sir. So, sir, Sahara, led by Mr. Subrata Roy. Now, people, I give you money. Yes. Now, I want you to invest. In which company will you guys invest? And tell me why. So you guys have an option. Don't split and invest and all. One company you need to invest. Which company you will invest? Okay. Reliance, sir. Okay. Reliance, sir. Okay. Reliance. No one wants Queen. Pink. Ah. Yes, sir. You want to invest in Vijay Mallya. Why? I am giving the money. Yeah. Because it is not yours, sir. Ah. Okay. Most of you Reliance, sir. Okay. Now tell me why.
These two people has already defaulted.
Okay. So these two people have been defaulted. Who? Is it the company or who has been defaulted? Vijay Mallya and Subrata Roy. So you're investing only because of, okay, trust issues. Okay. You may not believe in the other two people. Okay. So can I say you're believing in Mukesh Ambani? Yes, sir. Okay. So he has a very track record. Okay. Reliance is reliable. Okay. So you're believing in Mukesh Ambani and you're investing. Correct? All of you? Agreed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now all of you people, all of you, group of people, you invested around, say for example, some 10 lakh rupees in Reliance company. Yeah, sir, believing in Mukesh Ambani. Okay, now listen people, you guys invested in Mukesh Ambani. That is Reliance. Now what happened, people, after a certain number of days? Say for example, after 6 months of you guys investing, Vijay Mallya went and asked Mukesh Ambani, I want to come into telecom sector. Will you sell me your company to me? Mukesh Ambani said, hey, idiot, Goda, why will I sell it to you? You first come after drinking. Yeah, you're coming by drinking only. So Mukesh Ambani sent Vijay Mallya back. I will not sell you. As on that day, people, the price of the shares were somewhere around, example, assume 500 rupees per share. Yes, people. Okay, sir. Now, people, after say again another week, Vijay Mallya again goes and approaches Mukesh Ambani and he says, now Again, I want to buy your Jio, whatever is the telecom sector. I want to come in. Will you sell me your company? Mukesh Ambani said, I will not sell you. Vijay Mallya said, see, the price of the share is 500. I'll do one thing. I'll pay you 750 rupees per share. Yes, in Reliance, Mukesh Ambani is the majority shareholder. Yes, he holds more than 40%. He is the majority shareholder. So he's going and asking, will you sell me? He said no. Again he went. He offered this time 800 rupees per share. Now, Mukesh Ambani started treating Vijay Mallya with respect. The price is increasing, no? He said, okay, please come, sit. He's holding 44% of the shares, people. 800 rupees per share. Overnight, he gets money like this. He can start one more thing with that money. Now, he started considering. Now, Vijay Mallya offered, I will give you 1000 rupees per share. Now, people, end of the money, people. Mukesh Ambani agreed to sell the shares also. Yes, all of you. Vijay Mallya and Mukesh Ambani agreed. Mukesh Ambani agreed to sell. Vijay Mallya agreed to buy. They both are backed by lawyers, so they entered into an agreement. This agreement will be called as share purchase agreement. Share purchase agreement. So Vijay Mallya and Mukesh Ambani enter into an agreement called as share purchase agreement, in which Vijay Mallya agrees to buy the shares of Mukesh Ambani. Okay. Now, people, the contract also happened. Now tell me what happens to this. Whom did you believe and go? Mukesh Ambani, sir. Now, is he staying back? No, sir. Now, what about you people? Now, what about you people? Yes. Exactly. Now, once he takes over, he will only become the director also now. Yeah, majority is with him. He will only approve his resolution. Okay. Now, okay, sir. What happens to your shares, people? Okay, what happens to your shares? Okay. Upendra says, we will also sell. What, sir? You and your logic. We don't have an option to sell, huh? Okay. I'll tell you two things which will happen. Now, you tell me, people, you get a news all of a sudden. Vijay Mallya is acquiring Reliance. Now, you as an investor, public, you tell me how will you react? Is it a positive news or a negative news? Negative news, sir. People, whenever it is negative news, Upendra, this is for you. If it is a negative news, sir, whatever was being traded at 500 rupees per share, all of a sudden our market runs with sentiments, people. Yeah, whatever logics I tell you, even today we cannot catch hold of our sentiments. All of a sudden it starts falling. Yeah, okay. Now whatever you invested, now the price is going down. Now you want to sell. The first drawback, the price is going down. The second drawback, in spite of knowing Vijay Mallya is coming into the company, will there be buyers? You guys are only selling everything and coming out. Will there be a person who will buy it also? So people, the market will become very, very saturated of sellers. Buyers won't be there. Getting the point? This type of market is called as bearish market. Bearish market, you guys would have studied bulls and bear. Why is it called bear? Why is it called bear, people? Why is it called a bull? Why is it called a bear? So, sir, whenever the bull hits people, it will hit like this. Attacking mode of bull, it hit like this. So, people, whenever it is a bull market, it is always up. Bear always, it does like this. Scratch. Yes, sir. This is bear market. This is bull market. Yes, sir. Whenever the market is dominated by the sellers, the market will be always bearish. Whenever the market is dominated by buyers, the market will be bullish. Yeah. Not at all there in syllabus, just telling you. Now, people, got the drawback number 2, drawback number 1, going down. Drawback number 2, there are no buyers. Okay. Okay, Upendra, third one. Somehow you imagine you also sold your shares. Assume you also sold your shares. What price you will be selling your shares at? What price? Definitely less than 500. Okay, assume you got a very, very good deal. Assume, in spite of all this negative news, you were able to sell your shares at 400 rupees per share. In spite of all this, assume you have an option to sell it at 400 rupees per share. At what price did Mukesh Ambani sell? At what price are you selling? Is there justice done to you? What is SEBI's sole motto of existence? Protect the interest of the investor. So what did SEBI do? SEBI passed one regulation only for that. That is only called as SEBI substantial acquisition of shares and takeover. Substantial acquisition means someone is acquiring, someone is taking your share. Yes, people got a fair idea? All of you? Okay. So got a fair idea? All of you? Okay. So now what did SEBI do, sir? SEBI came up with certain things called as offer. What is all that? We'll see. Now what does the law say? Whoever is buying the promoter's share, Vijay Mallya is promoting Mukesh Ambani's share, the law puts an obligation on Vijay Mallya. Law puts one obligation on Vijay Mallya saying that when you are buying so many shares, that is, you are acquiring the control of the other company, you do one thing, you have to acquire the shares of the rest of the public also. Optional, sir? No optional, mandatory. So, sir, now Vijay Mallya has to purchase Mukesh Ambani's shares plus all your shares, that is public share. How much and all we'll see. Yes, are you getting a fair idea? This is what SAST regulation talks about. Entire regulation revolves around this condition. If at all you are acquiring the majority part of the other person, you need to acquire the shares of the public as well. Clear, all of you? Pakka? Yes? Okay. So, sir, what exactly do you mean? What will be seeing the characters in this lesson? There is always a person, people. When I say person, your income tax definition. Individual, company, it can be anyone. Any person. Okay. Any person alone or together. Any person alone or together. Inheritance and all this will not apply. Directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Acquires or agrees to acquire. Acquires or agrees to acquire. What, sir? Anything. Meaning, sir, shares, voting rights, or control of target company. Of target company. You guys can write this down. Any person, whether alone or together, directly or indirectly, acquires or agrees to acquire shares, voting rights, control of target company. So, sir, this person here is called as an acquirer. This person here is called as an acquirer. Clear, people? All of you? So, sir, any person alone or together, directly or indirectly, acquires or agrees to acquire shares, voting rights, or control of target company. Yes, sir. Okay, now people, in our case, any person here, people, this person is none other than your Vijay Mallya. Sir, the target company here is the company whose shares are being acquired. In our case, it is Reliance Industries. Okay. Now, people, very vaguely I'll explain you. Try to, concentrate on the topic. Sir, whenever, now say Vijay Mallya, whenever is acquiring shares of Reliance Industries, you said that yes, along with Mukesh Ambani's shares, he also needs to buy certain investors shares also. Yes. Okay, sir, is this applicable even if I invest 500 rupees in Reliance Industries? Vijay Mallya is buying only one share from Mukesh Ambani. Even then I need to buy all your shares. There should be some at least minimum requirement. Yeah, I'm not at all explaining that requirement and all now, but very vaguely people assume if at all I'm buying 25%. 25% of the shares of target company, I will have to buy all the shares of the public also. Yes, there should be some slab. No, I can't say if you buy one share, you have to buy all the shares of the public. So if you buy 25% of the shares of the target company, you need to make sure you buy the shares of public also. Yes. Okay. Now Vijay Mallya is a, he's a where a level, sir. Now, sir, now this person, what did he do? If I do it individually, it will be a problem. Now, what did Vijay Mallya do? Vijay Mallya called Siddharth Mallya. They come down here. If I alone take 25%, there is some regulation, it seems, SCST. You do one thing. I will buy 12.5%. You buy 12.5%. So we will not come under SAST regulations at all. So we are totally free of this regulation. So people, any person acting alone or together, any person acting alone or together, if you acquire, we will add it and take it. It will still be considered as 25% only. Getting this point, all of you? Okay. Sir, where else this can happen? Now imagine people. Vijay Mallya is not investing. Now Kingfisher is investing in Reliance Industries. Any person can be an individual, company, any person. Sir, this time Kingfisher is investing in Reliance Industries. Okay. Kingfisher is not investing alone, people. Kingfisher has a subsidiary company. Kingfisher has a subsidiary company, assume XYZ. Sir, Kingfisher is investing 12.5%. Sir, XYZ is investing 12.5%. Again, we will be adding as together people, it will be 25%. Now, both of them together needs to come and acquire the shares of the public. However you do. So people, whenever the relationship is obvious, isn't this obvious? If at all Vijay Mallya is also buying, Siddharth Mallya is also buying, isn't the relationship obvious? By default, SEBI says you guys are related party. I mean, you guys are, you're acting together. By default, I will say, yes, you guys are related, you guys are acting together. So if you're acting together, I will add the limits and take, you have to buy the shares of the public. Getting the point, all of you? Okay, sir. Now, sir, whenever such allegation is put on you, it is your duty to prove, no, sir, we were not acting together. He did it on his own, I did it on my own. That is it is left to you, evidence to prove that there was no such intention. Are you getting the point? All of you? Sir, now what do I do, people? Okay, so you're telling, okay, relatives and all, they are related. Okay, what will I do? I will bring money. I will give all of you certain pieces of money. I will split it and I will give it to you. Now 10 of you will invest 3% each. I will give money to you. I will tell each of you to buy 3% each. Sir, now it's not only 3 people, sir. I mean, not 2 people anymore. We are 10 people. I will add everything, people, again. Are you getting the point, all of you? Yes or no? Yes, people. So, sir, individually or together, we have to give them some name, no? If at all I'm doing individually, I'm called a person. If I'm doing in, as a team together, I should give a name. The name given here is whoever is person acting together, we will call them as person acting in concert. Person acting in concert. In short, going forward, I'll be writing it as pack. Understood what do you mean by pack? So together meaning, all of you got a fair idea? You guys have person acting in concert definition, but they won't ask you. Yeah. But to understand, these are the examples. Holding subsidiary, company and its directors, relatives together, all these people come under person acting in concert. Yes, people. Got a fair idea? All of you? Okay, sir. Sir, now imagine people. Okay. I will answer your question, Ganeshan. Ganeshan question is, sir, today I have 12.5%. I will give money to some unknown person. He buys 12.5%. Sir, after 1 year, I will only take that 12.5% from him. Now what will happen? I will cover every point. There is no way you guys can escape. Says SEBI. We will see how. Got it, all of you? Okay, sir. I'll give you one more example. Okay. People, now listen. This example is not directly related to our topic. Why I'll tell you, and first understand the example. Yes? Okay. Now people, again Vijay Mallya people. Vijay Mallya wanted to acquire, assume, PhonePe. Vijay Mallya wanted to acquire PhonePe. Now what did Vijay Mallya do? Vijay Mallya invested 10% in PhonePe. Yes, Vijay Mallya invested 10% in PhonePe. Okay. There was one more company called as Flipkart. There was one more company called as Flipkart. Sir, this Flipkart holds, assume, 15% in PhonePe. Flipkart holds 15% in PhonePe. PhonePe is Flipkart subsidiary. But for our example, assume Flipkart has 15% stake in PhonePe. Now people, Vijay Mallya, what he will do? Vijay Mallya will invest some, say for example, 51% in Flipkart. Vijay Mallya will invest 51% in Flipkart. Yes, sir. Now Vijay Mallya's main intention was to acquire PhonePe. But he has only invested 10% in PhonePe, sir. Yes, sir. Now people, now Vijay Mallya will vote 10% directly in PhonePe. Assume whatever is the meeting they call for, if I have to take decision, I will be able to control 10% here. All of you. Sir, Vijay Mallya controls Flipkart. He has the majority. Yes. Now whatever Vijay Mallya tells Flipkart to do, Flipkart will do that. Sir, whatever Flipkart tells PhonePe to do, up to 15% it will do. Sir, can I say Vijay Mallya is controlling 10% here, 15% here? Agreed? All of you? Make sense or not? So, sir, this is your second thing, whatever you wrote. Any person, whether investing, acquiring directly or indirectly. Making sense, all of you? So you come from wherever the provision is covered. You cannot go anywhere, people. Is this clear? All of you? So, sir, when one person directly or indirectly acquires or agrees to acquire, you just wrote an agreement or you paid off. Agrees to acquire is where you guys are entering into an agreement, share purchase agreement. What are you buying? Shares, voting rights or control in one more company. That company is called as target company. Target is our Reliance. Whichever company you want to buy the shares, they are called as target company. Is this clear, all of you? What if he acquired it along with his wife? Wife definitely is relative. I'm telling you, me and you only. Me and students. Wife is definitely relative, no? All of you. Is this clear? Pakka? All of you. So people, This is one of the thing which SEBI wanted to protect in this particular SAST regulation. First one, where one person is acquiring the substantial part, the others public shareholding also should be attached and acquired. Got a fair idea? Okay, sir. Now the second one, what this particular regulation will cover. Listen, sir, there is Reliance. There is Reliance. Vijay Mallya got to know all this loss. Now, what did Vijay Mallya do? Vijay Mallya is not coming and meeting Mukesh Ambani at all. If I come and meet now all this problem, Vijay Mallya straight away opened his Upstocks account. He typed Reliance Industries. The name came. He started investing. By whom will I ask? I will not ask anyone. Slowly, I acquired 1%. I acquired 5%. I acquired 10%. Slowly, I started acquiring. Yes, people, by the time Vijay Mallya by the time Mukesh Ambani even realized, people, Vijay Mallya had already acquired the majority. Vijay Mallya, by doing this 1, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, he has reached 51%. Don't you think so it can happen? If I have money, can't I buy shares of any company over stock exchange? Possible, not possible. The moment I get 51%, the company is mine. Majority is mine. Even though Reliance, even though you do not know, have taken over your company. You didn't even realize. Are you getting the point? Don't you think it is a risk for the owners? Definitely isn't it a risk? So, sir, what does the law say? People, whatever these takeovers are, this is generally called as, people, hostile takeover. Hostile, you do not even know. Without your consent, I am taking over you, is called as hostile takeover. Before, when we did, people, our SAST was very, very good. They gave us certain strategies, how to come out of it. All that is now removed. Yeah, you guys have only very a little part. So whatever is there, I'm just telling you. So understood, all of you? So indirectly, they will not tell you what is hostile takeover and all here, but the motive is this, where one person is acquiring without telling the other person. Now I want you to come and tell it in the public that you are taking over that company. No longer you cannot do it in secret. Getting the point? So these two are the major agendas of this particular chapter. All of you. So read the chapter, people. Substantial acquisition. Whatever we saw. Vijay Mallya and this one. Sir, takeover. Upstocks account. Yeah. There are, they have, I'll tell you one of the case also. I was thinking of it. I was not able to recollect. I'll try to tell you. There are certain cases filed on this particular SAST. There are there. Yes, all of you. Okay, people. Let us start with, okay, write down, people. Very important. Dil ka dhadkan of the chapter. If this is a flight, all the rest of the thing will be rocket only. Yes. Translation. Heartbeat. Yes, people. Open offer. So there is something called as open offer. Yeah. Okay. Now what is this open offer, sir? Vijay Mallya acquired Reliance share. Vijay Mallya acquired Reliance share. Now, sir, when Vijay Mallya has acquired Reliance share through a share purchase agreement, Vijay Mallya needs to come to the public and take a mic. You know that vegetable will nowadays they record and keep, no? He needs to take that mic, come to the public and scream out loud, I am buying Reliance shares from Mukesh Ambani. I want to purchase your shares as well. Will any one of you sell it to me? Have to come and have to scream in public. Yes, sir. This is what you saw in the first one. That screaming in the public is called as open offer. Again, I repeat, people, whenever I am acquiring 25%, listen. Listen people, whenever I am acquiring 25% or more, let us take those two examples only. Now Vijay Mallya. Yeah, Vijay Mallya, how much is he acquiring? Vijay Mallya is acquiring 25% or more. So even if I acquire 25% or more than 25% of, sir, yes Drusha, I'll tell you that also. Sir, 25% or more of, sir, I want to buy it of a target company, that is Reliance, correct? What does the law say? Come da, come. You know this one? This is how it looks now. You have to come and scream in the public, I want to buy your shares. Yes, people, you have to come and scream in the public. When, sir? Whenever you are buying 25% or more. Okay, sir. Now, people, imagine I did not had 25%, sir. I had only 23%. Now, you are buying another 2%. The moment you are touching 25%, people, how to scream? Like this. I'll tell you. Yeah, sir, the moment again I'm now people already Vijay Mallya had assumed existing 23%. Sir, plus 2% is new. He's purchasing now. Again, people, the same thing will apply. So at once if you are buying 25% or partly you are buying and finally you meet that criteria of 25%. It is like that race, people. If you cross that line, if you cross this line is at 25%. I don't mind how you cross. It can be at once or you can stop. That is, you buy 5% now, 10% next year, 15%. The moment it becomes 25%, you have to come to the crowd and you have to scream, I will buy your shares. Is this clear? All of you? People understand the logic now. Vijay Mallya is buying 25%. Sir, the majority, almost the majority of the part is going out of the hands. Almost the majority of the part is going out of the hands. Think logically why. Now people, in Reliance Industries, what is the maximum shares that Mukesh Ambani can have? What is the maximum shares Mukesh Ambani can have? 75%, sir. Why, sir? 25% will always be with public. No matter whether Vijay Mallya is the owner or the Mukesh Ambani is the owner, 25% should be with public, or else SEBI will come with lathi and it will hit you. Yes, sir. Now, people, in this 75%, is it that everything will be held by Mukesh Ambani people? At least 10% people will be with this QIBs, banks and all those people. Hardly people, it will be 65%. I'm just giving you a very vague number, 65%. Okay. Now in this 65%, Mukesh Ambani was controlling the company. Agreed? In this people, Vijay Mallya is taking over 25%. Don't you think it is a majority part? It is a majority part. Now what does the law say? You're as it is buying 25%, come to the public and scream that you are willing to buy. You are willing to buy. Important, listen carefully. You have already purchased 25% or you have agreed to buy 25%. Come to the public, scream that you are willing to buy another 26%. You're already agreeing to buy 25%. Come to the public and scream that you are willing to buy another 26%. No, sir, I don't want to do this. You have to do this. You don't have a choice. You don't even have a choice. Sir, I don't want to do this. Then don't cross 25%. If you cross 25, you don't have an option. You have to give a public open offer. Getting this point? How much, sir? I have to give an offer for 26%. Add, sir. Why do you go like a robber? Go like a proper king. Yes, you are already acquiring 25%. Now take the majority. Already you are acquiring 25%. Take the majority also. That is the reason it has been made 26%. Is this clear? Okay, Shriva's question. What if he directly buys the public share of 25%? What if I'll tell you, that is also covered. There is no instance, people. I'll tell you. In phase wise, I'll tell you. Can use, okay. People, too many questions went out. It went out. Okay. Can you sell it off because you don't want to acquire 26%? I didn't get you. Okay. 26% is prescribed by law, people. I just gave you an explanation for that. Why? To make it 51%, that is to become a majority holder. Yeah. And second thing, when you are buying the shares of Mukesh Ambani, buy the shares of public also. Are you getting the point? Logic both. All of you. Sushant, 20% should be with the promoter only if it is coming for an IPO for the first 3 years, not permanent. Reliance and all 50, 60-year-old company. Yes. All of you understood this first logic? Okay, sir. Now people, remember. Okay, sir. Now Vijay Mallya is already holding 25%, people. Assume he acquired up. He got over the shares. 25% he has already acquired. Now Vijay Mallya wants to acquire another 5%. I'm telling you scenario number 2. Scenario number 1, you are crossing 25%. You just acquired 25%. Scenario number 2, you are already an existing shareholder of 25%. Is this clear? You're already holding 25% in the scenario number 2. Now I want to acquire another 5 more percent. I want to acquire another 5 more percent. 5%, sir, in one financial year. It can be once, twice in the entire year. If you acquire another 5 more percent. Do not forget your guests come out in the public and scream. People, second scenario. If a person is already holding 25%, he wants to acquire 5 more percent. Again, same thing. The offer repeats. You need to come out to the public and shout, I'm buying 5 more percent of the share. Will you guys sell me your shares as well? 26% you need to be willing to buy. Yes, people, again the same thing will come into picture. You need to come to the public and shout. So, sir, 2 cases, people. 2 cases. First case, people, whenever a person is acquiring 25% of the company share, target company share, how much? 25% or more. You need to give a mandatorily open offer to the public to subscribe their shares. How much, sir? Minimum subscription you have to give is 26%. You have to give it. Is this clear? All of you? I'll tell you that. Okay, sir, the next one, sir. I'm already holding 25%. I'm already holding, existing only I have 25%. I'm acquiring additionally 5%. Yes, sir. Again, I have to come to the public. I have to shout, I'm acquiring 5 more percent of the shares. Will you guys sell me your shares? Again, I have to be willing to buy 26%. 26% comes twice, people. The first thing, it is called as trigger point. Trigger point. When does this public offer trigger? It triggers first one when a person, acquirer, is acquiring 25%. Second time it triggers, he is already holding 25%. He is acquiring another additional 5%. The second condition will trigger, I need to again give an offer for buying 26% share. First one, you are freshly acquiring 25%. Second one, you are already holding 25%. Now you want to buy another 5 more percent. Both the cases, come shout. You will have to, you will have to give an offer to subscribe 26% of the shares. All of you agreed? All of you with me? Sir, now all our doubts, sir. Should we mandatorily sell public, the 26%? Are we compelled to sell? Should we sell, sir? People, it is not mandatory. It is your choice. Clear? No one will compel you. It is your choice. Is this clear? All of you? There is no compulsion. Is this clear? All of you, Pakka? Understood what we just discussed? How the acquisition will take place, I'll tell you. That is the entire chapter. Procedure is there. Yes. See, 25% is taking. 25% is taking. Yeah, okay. Assume 5% is taking. Now, tomorrow you guys should not come and cry. We invested in Reliance looking at the face of Mukesh Ambani. Today, Vijay Mallya is coming. You should not tell that we were cheated. You should be given an option to exit. So, we are giving you an option to exit. That too, royal exit, people. You can't even think. Royal exit. The second drawback, you remember, Mukesh Ambani sold his share at 1000. You guys were selling your shares at 400. Offer price is also fixed. Vijay Mallya, irrespective of what is the price in the market, there will be a calculation. If you remember, dissenting shareholder, volume weighted average price, 52 week, 26 week, 60 trading days, cut, copy, paste. So you will calculate that whatever is the highest price, at that price even the public share will also be subscribed. So market price, forget what is the market price. You will get the highest of these things. Bare minimum you will get the price what Vijay Mallya paid to Mukesh Ambani. You will get that bare minimum. Is it clear? All of you? Pakka? Yes? Understood or not? I'll tell you guys. Permutation, combination, everything let us write. Open offer, write down. Sir, open offer, the first one is called as mandatory offer. The first one is called as mandatory offer. Okay. Sir, what is this mandatory offer? An acquirer along with person acting in concert. An acquirer along with person acting in concert intend to acquire 25% or more voting rights, 25% or more voting rights. Can an acquirer plus person acting in concert intend to acquire 25% or more voting rights can acquire such additional shares only after making a public announcement to acquire minimum 26% of shares of target company from shareholders through open offer. Got the first condition, all of you? An acquirer, whether alone or together, Vijay Mallya, Siddharth Mallya, Me along with you guys, however it is, if at all we are acquiring touching 25% or more, for touching that 25% or more, you can acquire it only after giving a public announcement of acquiring minimum 26% of the shares of target company from shareholders through open offer. What is open offer? Coming out in the public and shouting that I want to buy your shares. Correct? All of you? Huh. Right on the next one. Second one. Person already holding 25% or more 25% or more voting rights in target company and intends to acquire, right, the way I am writing only, more than 5% of shares in financial year. More than 5% of shares in financial year. Same condition of open offer to acquire 26% from public to be followed. Both the conditions, is it clear? Sir, if a person who already has 25% and if he wants to acquire 2%, does he needs to make an open offer? Not required. The condition is very clear, no? If you are buying 5% or more, yes. Now people, now how do we do that? See here. Now Vijay Mallya is holding 25% people. Yeah. Okay, sir, I'm talking about now 2021. I'm talking about 2021. People, in the beginning of the year, Vijay Mallya acquired another 2%. He was already holding 25%. Now Vijay Mallya has acquired another 2% in the month of April. Now you tell me, should I give an open offer? Should I give? All of you tell me whether should I give an open offer or not. Not required. All of you answer, only then I will know whether you understood the. This is the main concept. Everything revolves around this. No. Now in the month of June, he acquired another 1%. Should he give an open offer? Sir, in the month of August, he acquired another 2%. Should he give an open offer? Should I give an open offer?
Yes, sir.
Should I give?
Yes, sir.
How many of you say no? I want either yes or no. Whether you're wrong also, it's okay, people. Will I humiliate you or something? Then why will you guys back out? Sir, how many of you say no? Okay, how many of you say yes? Yes? Okay, let us see. Sir, in the month of September, I apply for another 1%. Should I give a open offer? Yes, sir? Okay. Okay. People, read the condition again. Should I give or not give, people? Person already holding 25% or more voting rights in target company intends to acquire more than 5% of shares in financial year has to give a open offer. Sir, in the month of August, sir, he had 25% in the financial year. 3% plus 2% is just 5%. Open offer not required. It is not triggered. Sir, in the month of September, sir, it has become 5 plus 1, sir. 5% is exceeding in the financial year. Open offer is to be given here. Open offer to buy 26% of the shares from public is to be given. Okay. I will answer all your permutations and combinations. Now, see, sir, 25% in the year 2020 he had. Yeah, sir, in the year 2021, he acquired 4%. And in the rest of the year, he did not buy anything. Sir, in the year 2022, this is in the year 2021. Sir, in the year 2022, he purchased another 4%. Should I give a open offer in the year 2022? In the year 2021, I subscribed to, I acquired 4% of the share. First of all, tell me, should I give a open offer here? Not required. Okay. Should I give an open offer in the year 2022? Now my shareholding will be how much? 25 plus 4, 29. Okay. 29 plus 4% it is becoming. Should I give an open offer? Not required. Whatever I say, people, end of the day, in one financial year you need to see. Yeah, sir, like this people, you can keep acquiring your entire life. No one will stop you. Are you getting the point? All of you, are you getting the point? Like this, you guys keep on acquiring. No one will stop you. For existing shareholder holding 25%, he can only extend up to 30% if he doesn't want to acquire company. So you do not have that option. If you want to go to 30%, then you have to go for a public offer. So if people are willing to sell, you have to buy 26%. You don't have an option. Clear? All of you. Now people, the person is not buying more than 5% every year. He is buying only 4% or up to 5%. Correct? Sir, he is buying 4 or 5. People, remember that inclusive. Yes, that one was 25% or more. This is more than 5%. Okay. Sir, 4 to 5%. One person without anyone knowing, people, without telling anyone, this person silently is acquiring 4%, 5%, 4%, 5%. Shall we give one name for this? Yes. Shall we give one name? The name given to this is called as creeping acquisition. Yes, sir. The name given to this, not exceeding 5%, but up to 5%. Up to 5%. Without having to give an open offer. You are acquiring slowly is acquiring 4%, 5%, 4%, 5%. No one is getting to know. It is called as a creeping acquisition. No one is getting to know, sir. Silently is going. Silently is going. Yes, sir. This is called as what, sir? Creeping acquisition. All of you with me till now? Any doubts? Important, write down under more than. Up to 5%. Up to 5%. No need of any open offer. Up to 5%. No need of any open offer. It is called as creeping acquisition. Clear? I hope it's clear, all of you. People, wonderful lesson. You will enjoy it. Yeah. Try to understand the heart, soul. Why they are doing this? You will love the lesson. My guarantee. Yes. Understand the soul. Why we are doing it. All the chapters are like that only. If you understand the soul, you will be able to enjoy the lesson. Yeah. I hope it's clear, all of you till now. Yep. Okay. Chalo, go for a break. Come back 15 minutes.